Good morning, children. Welcome back after the exams. Hope you all are good and your exams were also good. Hope you all enjoyed performing that MCQ type examination. Okay, now today we'll start with a new chapter, fresh beginning we have to do. Okay, what happened? Happened. Now, new start we have to do with a full energy. Okay, so be prepared with the full energy. Let's start news chapter. That is you have to tell which chapter is that. Now see this one. First of all, see this. What is there? A B A B A B. What is repeating? A and B are repeating itself. Yes or no? A B A B A B. It is written here. Can you see? So A B is repeating again and again. Now in this the second one, it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 means a gap of 2, or we can say table of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Gap of 2, or we can say table of 2 it is. Means a gap of 2 between these two, and a gap of 2, and here also gap of 2, and in 8 or 10 also gap of 2. Means the gap of 2 is there. Now in the third one, it is a upright triangle, and this a downward, upward, downward, upward, and then what will come? Downward. So what is there? A similarity is there or not? Yes or no? So it is what? It is known as the pattern. It is known as pattern, and we will start our chapter number 7, that is, can you see the pattern? Can you see the pattern? Yes, you can see the pattern. So we will start our new chapter, that is, can you see the pattern, chapter number 7 in your books. So we are going to start our new chapter, can you see the pattern. Okay, about patterns we have also already discussed in the previous chapters. So we'll start that only, but with a small recap of all the things. Now what is pattern? Pattern is systematic manner, or we can say regular manner of anything. Means regularity should be there in the figures. As you can see, is in this case AB, 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 AB is there. So AB is there repeating itself equal number of times. So regularity is there. Now in 2, 4, 6, 8, what is the difference? Gap of 2 is in each digit. So regularity is there. Regularity 2 equal interval is there. Yes or no? So that is a pattern. Now in this third one, you can see one is up, one is down, one is up, one is down, one is up, one is down. So this is what? This is also a pattern, up down pattern. So this is what these are the patterns. And in everyday life, have you seen any patterns? Have you seen? Yes, you all must have seen all the patterns here. You will see, if you means if you look at your mother's sari, the design is there, border design, that is also having some pattern. And in your book also pattern is there. See, open your NCERT books and you will see in each chapter borders are drawn here. Borders are drawn here, and what's there in these borders? Pattern is there or not? Yes, pattern is there in each one. As you can see in this, can you see the pattern chapter? If you will look at the borders, they are having the symmetry. They are also having this symmetry, or we can say pattern is there. Similarities, or things are repeating themselves to form a decorative design. So that is a pattern. So now in this one, can you see any pattern? Is there any pattern in these one? Yes, there is a pattern in these one. How? It is a rotational pattern. Mickey means things will rotate itself. Here you can see that one is up, one is like this, one is down, then again this side. So what is there? It is a rotational symmetry. Symmetry will say pattern. Things are rotating and forming patterns. By an equal interval they are rotating. This we have studied in previous chapters. Rotation means 45-degree rotation, 90-degree rotations, 180-degree rotation. So let's quickly recap that. We studied about rotation in the previous chapters. So let's see the rotation. So this is the, if this is a cylinder. Now we'll talk about two types of rotations here. Basically two types of rotation we'll study here. Now first one is 1/4 rotation. 1/4 rotation means how much? 1/4 part. Quarter part means how much? It is 90 degree. 90 degree rotation. 1/4 rotation means 90 degree rotation. 1/4 means 90 degree. Yes. And half. And half rotation means 180 degree. Half rotation means 180 degree and 1/4 means 90 degree. Keep this thing in mind, okay? Half means 90 degree, sorry, half means 180 degree, 1/4 means 90 degree. Is it clear? Now we will rotate the figure. If I'll say rotate the figure 90 degree. Rotate the figure 90 degree or 1/4. If I'll say rotate the figure 1/4, 1/4 means 90 degree. So we will rotate this figure 90 degree. So after 1/4 rotation, this figure will look like this. Okay. Now if it is in initial position like this, if I'll say rotate this figure by 1/2 rotation. Half means how much? 180 degree. So we'll rotate this 180 degree. Let's rotate it 180 degree. So what we will get? We will get a figure like this. Can you see? So it will rotate like this by 180 degree. 180 degree means half rotation and 90 degree means 1/4 rotation. Is it clear? Now if again I'll rotate this 270, then again it is 360 again. Now in this chapter we'll also rotate the figures by 45 degree. Now 45 degree means 45 means half of 90. So we will rotate the figure half of 90. Now half of 90 will be where? It will be 43 and 45. As you can see, it is 45 here. So it will be half of 90. Then again if we will rotate it 45, it will be 45 plus 45, it is 90. Okay. Now again if we will rotate it 45, then 45 plus 90 plus 45 is 135. So it will come like this. Then again if we will rotate, it will come like this. Then again 45, it will be like this. Then again 45 like this. Then again 45 like this. And again 45, it will be like this. So this is 45, 45, 45 degree rotation. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will see that rotations are of two types. Yes, rotation are of two types. First one is the clockwise rotation and other one is the anti-clockwise rotation. Now clockwise rotation, as a clock moves. Have you ever seen how a clock needles moves? If you haven't seen, just look at the clock and see how its hands are moving. You will see that they move in this direction. So this direction is known as clockwise direction or clockwise rotation. Like this it moves. Okay. So this rotation is known as clockwise rotation. So when we will move a figure like this. So if I'm having a remote, so if I'll rotate it like this, it is a clockwise rotation. As a clock moves. As a clock moves, it is clockwise. Now if I'll rotate against the clock, that will be a anti-clockwise. So another one is the anti-clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise means against the clock. How the clock move opposite to that. So it will be like this. So this type of rotation is anti-clockwise rotation. Now this is anti-clockwise, and when it will go from this side, it will be clockwise rotation. Is it clear? Clockwise and anti-clockwise, two types of rotations are there. So we will rotate the figures in this manner only. Now in this figure, it is in your book, you can see it is on page number 100. It is now in the page number 100, turn and pattern. Turns, you have to say turns, or rotation we can say, both the things are same. So turns and rotation are there. Now can you see some similarity in these patterns? Can you tell me how much by how much angles they are rotated? 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360. Can you see them? Just observe them very carefully and you will be able to find that. Now see, first figure. Now when you will rotate this figure by like this, it will be like this. Then again this 45 degree rotation is there. Can you see? Half, 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 half. Okay. So it is 45-degree rotation. Now in this one, half rotation is there, and is one 3/4 rotation. 3/4 rotation means how much? Means 270-degree. I haven't told about this now. So 3/4 means 270-degree. So three things you have to learn. 1/4 means 90-degree, half means 180-degree, and 3/4 means 270-degree. Okay, and full means 360-degree. Okay, so this you have to learn. 1/4 45-degree, 1/4 sorry 90-degree, half 180-degree, and this is 270-degree. 3/4 means 270, half means 180, and 1/4 means 90-degree you have to rotate. Is it clear? Okay, now let's move and solve some questions related to this. Now this is on page number 100 only. It is practice time. Show what should come next. What should come next? What should come next? Find out. It will be interesting to solve. Okay, now can you see these patterns here? Is it a pattern? Yes, it is a pattern. See the first figure. As you can see, this figure and this figure are same. Yes or no? So I have done this for you only. I'll rotate this and you will tell what will come next. Now it is like this. Now if I'll rotate this figure, how much? If I'll rotate this figure like this, it is not this, like this. So it is similar to this one. Now if I'll again rotate it like this, it is similarly slightly like this, na? Okay, now it is like this. Now if I'll again rotate this, it will become how it will become? It is will be like this one. Okay, it will be like this. So what will come in place of the next one? This blank box, this will come here. Okay, so this will come here, and after when we will rotate it once again, it will be like this. As you can see in this figure, it is like this. So this will come here and this will come here. Okay, so you can draw these figures. Means see, orange one is down, then yellow is one up, then one again we will rotate that, we will get this figure, then again we will rotate this, we will get this figure. So like this you have to rotate. Now let's see the next one. It is N. N you have to rotate. Now first of all, see the first N. Can you see the first N? It is like this only. So we will rotate this and we will find which pattern is followed here. Now this N is like this, and when we rotated this N by an angle of 90-degree, we will get a similar figure like this one. Yes or no? These are same? These are same or not? Yes, they are same. Now because first we have rotated in 90-degree. Now let's see again rotated 90-degree, what we will get. When we rotated it again 90, we got the figure like this. So means it is similar to this one. So means in this pattern, what is there? 90-degree rotation is there. So now again we will rotate this 90-degree and see what next figure will get. Again rotate it 90-degree. So what we get? A figure like this. So means what will come here? This will come in place of this. Now again if we will rotate this 90-degree, let's rotate this 90-degree again. Now let's rotate this, what we will get? A figure N again. Same. Yes or no? These and these are same. So what will come in place of this? N will come in place of this. Okay. So you have to first see the pattern, that which pattern is followed, and then after that you have to do. In the first question, a pattern of 45-degree was there. Now in this one, a pattern of 90-degree is there. Now similarly you have to do this one also. This one also you will do yourself. You have to rotate this. Now see, I'll give you a hint in this one. 4 blocks are on the top. Then they went to this side. Then they went to this side. Then again they will go to upside. Then again to this side. Then again to this side. Okay. Now again the next one. this one. So this is the first figure. Now if we will rotate it again by how much? 90 degree, we will get this figure. Then again we will rotate it 90 degree, we will get the third figure. Now again we have to rotate it 90 degree and see, we will get this figure. So what will come here? This figure will come here. Then again we will rotate this 90 degree, we will get this figure. Okay. So we have to just imagine these things, that when the rotation will be there, how the figures change, and then according to that only you have to draw all these figures. So this is all, and this, try to this one yourself, solve to do this one yourself. Hope you all will do. See here, what's the pattern? I'll give you a hint. Now see, if I'll rotate this by 45 degree, it will look like the second one figure. It is looking like second figure or not? Yes. Now again rotate it 45 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree, you will find the pattern like this. So you have to do this one, okay? And after that you have to do the next one also. The P1 also is there, so you have to do that also. So hope you all find it interesting to solve all these patterns and do this in your book only. Till then, stay safe, Sai Ram.